all the movements are pendular and we try to maintain a balance to prevent overshooting through cerebellum. So what we see in this scenario is a person trying to lift a glass. But as the person tries to reach for the glass and lift it, because of the inherent pendular moment that is set the moment he lifts the glass and the virtue of inertia, he overshoots the trajectory and the glass is flipped upwards. It is not being taken up slowly, planned, but instead it is going upwards. And when he tries to correct the moment by getting it back to where he actually intended, it becomes another motion which is pendular and he flips downwards instead of getting it back to the desired place. And this sort of movement keeps going on and on, which is pendular, which keeps overshooting, and it is not precise because of the lack of cerebellum. And that is why whenever there is damage to cerebellum, any movement that you perform tends to have some sort of jerky pendular movement, and you're not able to precisely lift an object, move your arm, raise your arm, or any other motor task you perform. There is constant interruption of inertia and the pendular movements that sets in the moment we try to start a task. Okay, so this involuntary movement of the muscle that is involved while you make a movement, which is seen only whenever you try to perform a task, is seen in cases whenever there is a damage to cerebellum, and this type of involuntary movement is called as tremor. And since this tremor is happening only whenever you perform a task, it is also called as intentional tremor.